Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna make my snack. Chinese cabbage sauteed with chili bean sauce, Doubanjiang. This one is Doubanjiang. Like this, Doubanjiang. Very easy method. Negi oil. I'm gonna use Chinese cabbage like this portion, and Doubanjiang like this, and 2 slices of ginger, and 1 of garlic, and 白だし, and sake. I'm gonna show you how to make it so easy. I'm just show you short version so you can make it. Thick starchy sauce. 片栗粉、水溶き片栗粉 This one. But 10 g starch with 100 cc water mix up. Okay, let's start cutting. So cutting technique is like this, like that, and you better cut like this because good texture. Lengthwise cut. See, like button. So this side like this, lengthwise cut. This cut is very important. Chewing texture, like good texture. Cut from this. Okay, start cooking. This one is a negi oil. And Doubanjiang. This one is Doubanjiang. And turn on the power, high flame. So just waiting for the good flavor come from Doubanjiang and garlic, ginger slice. Okay, in this time, the saute. Sake. Maybe sake. 白だし. This is 白だし. So this juice is very important. So coming up high temperature into the Chinese cabbage. That's why my style doesn't cook too much. Just a short time is enough. High flame. Let me try taste a little bit. Okay. So this is a starch with 100 cc water. Just like this, like edge side, even easy. bit. Good texture. Chinese cabbage sauteed with chili bean sauce, Doubanjiang. So let's try to eat. See? Looks so yummy. Okay, いただきます。See? Looks like button. Good hot flavor from Doubanjiang. So good texture from this kind style, cutting style, lengthwise cut, Chinese cabbage. It's nice snack. Drink with hot sake. Oh, it's so good. This one is very easy to make. Just one vegetable used, Chinese cabbage. That's it. So, thank you for watching my channel. See you again another time in my kitchen. Yummy!